Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit eyelets with a hand tool set. So your hand tool set will come in three parts. You're going to have your hole punch here. This is going to be your sharp end. You get an anvil like this which holds your eyelet, and then your fixing tool which has that point on the end. We need to start off by making a hole in our material. So we'll take our hole punch, put it sharp side down on the material, hammer it relatively hard, and do your best to keep it straight. Give it a little twist. There we have a hole in our material. We're going to take our main part of the eyelet, the shaft, which is this bit, and we're going to sit that on top of our anvil. Once it's on there, give it a little wiggle. It should be sitting on there nice and snug. Put the shaft of the eyelet through the hole that we've just made. Let's feed that through. Now we can take our washer, which is this, very thin. The washer has a slight curve on the top. Make sure this stays on the top side as we put that over the shaft, just like so. Now we can take our fixing tool with this pointed side down in between the shaft. Again, you can hit it relatively firm, but make sure to keep this tool as straight as you can. Take that out. There you have the back side, and that would be the front.